In this video, I'll compare a homeowner hammer drill with a pro model hammer drill. So these are both hammer drills, but there's a lot of differences, and I'll show you those in this video. We'll start with the homeowner version. This is a Craftsman. These cost about $100. They have a hammer function, which means the drill bit's going to impact along its axis like this. You can turn that function off by just going to the drill, or you can go to hammer and you'll get hammer and drilling function at the same time. There isn't a hammer only function with this drill. The other thing you'll see with these is they've got a speed chuck like you're used to on most drills. You can go up to about 3/8 to 1/2 inch, depending on what model you get, size drill bit. They'll look like this for this kind of drill. Now right away you'll notice picking this one up that it's a lot heavier. This is a Porter cable. It has multiple settings, so it has a drill only setting like our homeowner version. It has a drill with hammering setting. It also has a hammer only, so you can actually buy jackhammer type attachments to this. You're not going to break up a whole patio, but it can be quite useful if you're breaking up a small amount of concrete. The other thing that's really different with these is the bits you can attach to them. For these, you can go down to about 5/16 bit, and you can go up to 1 inch. These bits also are generally a lot longer than what you can get for a homeowner drill. The other nice thing about these is how you attach the bits. The bits actually, you pull back a collar, slide the bit in and release, and it locks in place so it doesn't come out. So the real test though is how they work. So let's compare. I'll use the same size bit. They're both new bits. It's actually a brand new bit for the homeowner drill and a slightly used bit for this one. And I'll show you how well they compare when it comes to drilling in brick or concrete. This is a 5/16 bit going straight into brick. So that's how far I made it in that much time. Again, this is a 5/16 bit. With this drill, I made it down to about here. That's the pro level. With the homeowner, I made it to about here in about the same amount of time. You can see I made it a lot further with the pro drill. This is the residential hammer drill with a 5/16 bit and concrete block. And now we're going to do same bit size with the professional grade. You can see the difference. So which of these drills is best? It really depends on your needs. If you've only got to put a couple small holes in to put some tap cons in something, this will get you through it. It's a lot cheaper, probably about $100 for one of these. If you got to do this a lot, if you're a professional, you'll definitely want to get one of these. These run more like $300. The bits are more expensive, but they also do a lot better job. If you're doing the job like I am, where I can put a link in this video up here, where I'm going through brick and concrete to put an vent through the wall of the house, definitely going to need one of these. I don't think I could do it with the other one. So if you don't want to spend $300, you can go look to rent these. You can also try and borrow one off a friend. That's what I did. I'll put some links in the description of this video to two good hammer drills, one of each type, that you could purchase if you're looking to get one for yourself. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up and tell me about it in the comments. You can also subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. Thanks.